Hey Summer, why are you looking so dead?
I don't know, man. I was gaming halfway and then my mouse decided to just die on me. So now I can't play, I can't do anything. Some more, now CMCO. I don't think I have extra money to get a new mouse lah.
Ah, I see. It's time for tough.
Wait, what? Don't you mean times are tough?
No, I mean it's time for tough. It's time for the tough gaming peripherals. You think gaming gear is expensive? No! You say you need a mouse. How about the Tough Gaming M3 ergonomic wired RGB gaming mouse? This one has 7000 DPI, more than you can even use. Buttons? You're asking about buttons? Well, you'll be happy to know that this has 7 buttons because 7 is my lucky number. And all of them are programmable so you can bind them to do whatever you want. Because it's under the Tough Gaming brand, it's built to last extra long with a special coating on top. The buttons can also last 20 million clicks while the Teflon feet can travel up to 250 kilometers of use, which is further than you'll be able to go since CMCO is in fact right now. But even if the Teflon feet can last a long time, it doesn't mean that you should abuse them, okay? Hey Summer, are you listening?
No.
Well, listen to this. This is the Tough Gaming H3 gaming headsets for PC, PS4, Xbox One, and Nintendo Switch, so you can use it on whatever you please. This headset is so lightweight, which is great because you must be tired of carrying your team all day. In terms of sound, the Tough Gaming H3 has inherited Asus Essence drivers, which provides crystal clear audio with strong bass, meaning that you pay tough price but get Asus standards. It also has 7.1 surround sounds. That means you can hear Lisa climbing mountains with absolute precision. The headband is stainless steel for extreme durability, while the microphone here is nice and flexible so you can adjust it to an optimum position. It's non-detachable though, so you won't lose it like the idiot you are. And now for the final item in my never-ending sales pitch. The Tough Gaming K3 RGB mechanical keyboard. Now this is very important. What is a keyboard warrior without a keyboard? They are just a warrior. And what do warriors do? They die. And if you don't want to die, pay attention to this. Why you should buy the Tough Gaming K3. Well, first thing, it has mechanical switches. It comes in 3 variants: tactile, linear, and clicky. So depending on how much you want to annoy your housemate with your flaming skill, you can opt for either one. If you're tired of flaming people or doing any other exhausting hand motions, you can always rest your tired wrist on this nice magnetic wrist rest that comes with it. It also has a USB 2.0 port up here, so you can charge your phone or basically plug anything you want in here. Furthermore, it has a floating keycap design, so even if your crumbs, dandruff, and cat hair drop into it, you can clean it effortlessly. The faceplate is made of aircraft-grade aluminum, so it's light yet tanky at the same time. Last but not least, all of these products are Aura Sync compatible, so you can make sure your RGB setup is completely synced for extra gamer points.
Are you done yet?
You know I'm only telling you this because you complained you needed new gears, right?
Yeah, but what's the point? I just told you I can't afford expensive gaming stuff right now.
That's where you're wrong. The Tough Gaming range is super affordable and value for good money. Built for gamers just like you who needs great gears and an accessible price point. It's so affordable, if you can't afford it, I can get it for you.
Really? Oh, thank you. Oh, you're like a best friend. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love you so much. 감사합니다. 안녕. Bye bye. 再见.
Now all of you viewers won't be as lucky as Summer to be receiving a free set of peripherals out of nowhere, but you can purchase them yourself down in the links below. Trust me, they're worth checking out.